Hello, my name is Cyrus Kiptoo. I'm a certified data scientist from African Center for Data Science and Analytics, and I'm passionate about leveraging data into solving real-world problems. Recently, I had an opportunity to participate in a job shadowing program at DTB Bank, and it was truly an eye-opening experience. I got hands-on exposure on how the data is applied in a banking operation, like right from customer segmentation, customer churn rates, and also advanced building machine learning models to understand how this analysis work in a banking system. Also, this experience helped me to understand the power of data in decision making and how to interact with professionally in the field. That's so a very impactful for analysis in a business strategy, and also how to make a very comprehensive data report from the banking system, and also all this applies to every different fields of data. All this would have been possible without the solid training I received from African Center for Data Science and Analytics. Right, they have a very good curriculum, which is a practical, beginner friendly, and also industry focused. Right from learning SQL model, Excel, to advanced data science now, where we learn about AI and machine learning models. These are a very good foundation and needed in the professional environments like DTB Bank. If you are looking to start or grow your career in data field or data analysis, African Center for Data Science and Analytics is a home for you. And they are it's not only a school, but also it's a community of data scientists, data professional, which we share ideas. We come together to put different ideas, different approaches in solving the real-time problems. It was a very good experience, and I really thank African Data Science for this program, and also thank BTB Bank for the job shadowing. Thank you.